How to mark invoice as paid in Quickbooks. So for this, all we have to do is hover over sales and then go to all sales. Now right here, we want to choose the invoice that we want to mark as paid. So I'm just going to left click on it and a side menu will appear like so, from which we have to select more actions and then choose the option to receive payment here. Now this will load up a new page with the amount received matching your requested amount or original amount here. If you want to change it, you will simply type out a new number here in the amount received. And basically after we have checked the number here, we will simply click on Save and New. And now you will see this receive a payment $1. Which means that this invoice will have been paid, and as you can see now, we will have successfully received or paid out this invoice. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.